Ready, salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Bulldogs, and happy Tuesday. I'm your ASB Student Board Representative, Clint Lamore. Welcome to Turlock Today. Be sure to check out Club Rush happening all this week. And freshmen, be sure to accept the invitation to your new classroom from your Linkry leaders.
Are you stressed? Did you spend most of your vacation sitting around the house eating ramen? Well, now it's time to get out and meet people like you. Join a club, the Turlock High School Anime Club, now meeting every Monday from 3 to 5 p.m. on our Google Classroom. Hope to see you there.
One strike down, 2 to go. You can cut this pressure with a knife, Chris.
Hi, my name is Lacey Hibden. I'm bowling club president, and if you're interested in bowling, you should join our club. A great way to get out of your comfort zone, meet new people, and learn valuable leadership skills.
A way to get competitive against other schools and go on exciting trips to learn the value of business.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Leiden here. Mrs. Tao and I are the advisors for Interact Club here on campus. Interact Club is a community service club, and we do projects for organizations like Women's Haven, Jessica's House, Valley Children's Hospital, and worldwide organizations like Polio Plus. In Interact Club, we take action to make a difference in our community. If you want to make a difference with us, join us at our meetings on the first Wednesday of each month from 12:15 to 12:45 on Zoom. I hope to see you there.
Hey Turlock, hi, my name is Raquel Rodriguez and I'm this year's president for Key Club, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the club. Key Club is not a club where we study keys, it's actually a community service club, which might sound hard to do, willing that we can't go out and physically volunteer, but this year is going to still be equally as fun through Zoom community service opportunities that you can complete at home, and it'll be a super fun club to socialize with your friends through Zoom while also doing good for the community.
I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen, laughing. You take me right back when we were kids. Never thought I'd feel like this, like when I call